So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to turn on large text mode on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, go to the bottom right here beside Discover and press on the Me icon. Once you're on the Me screen, scroll all the way down to the bottom and press on Settings. Once you're here, just go down to where it says General. So the third option down, press on General. Then once you're here, the first way you can do that is to go to where it says Font Size and where it says Small. You can slide this bottom bar all the way to the right and large size is on. Another way you can do it as well is you can back out of this, go to Accessibility, and then go to Font Size right here, and you can go into it and do the exact same thing. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to turn on large text mode on your Moomoo account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.